Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into mydish.com account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in mydish.com. Here, click on the profile icon on the top right corner. Then enter your username associated with your account and a valid password. If you do not remember your username or password, then you can click on the link that says having trouble signing in. Also, if you do not have an account yet, then you can click on create username link. After entering your details, click on the sign in button to proceed. And that is how you can log into mydish.com account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.